Stop paying extra for your bags. Here's how to stay within TSA carry-on rules and save money. All right, travelers, here's the lowdown on carry-on sizes. Each airline has different rules, so don't get caught off guard. For Alaska and American Airlines, your carry-on should be 22x14x9 inches. Delta's got the same limits, but watch out for weight restrictions in some countries. Flying Frontier, only a personal item is free on basic tickets. Their carry-on limit is 24x16x10 inches, but under £35. JetBlue's basic blue fare gives you one personal item, but their other tiers allow a carry-on too. Southwest and United let you bring a carry-on and personal item, but United's basic economy only allows a personal item unless you've got perks. And those TSA liquid rules, remember the 311 rule, 3.4 ounces, 1 quart-size bag, 1 per person. Simple, right? With these tips, you'll breeze through security and save on fees. Happy travels.